Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to reset NerdWallet password on your PC. NerdWallet is not a typical finance company. It simplifies money management process for people. To reset NerdWallet password, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type www.nerdwallet.com. Then press on enter. With that, here you'll be taken to the official website of NerdWallet. Now here you can see the option of sign in at top right section of the website. Click on the option of sign in. Then here you'll be taken to the login page. To reset your password, you need to click on the option of forgot your password. With that, here you'll be taken to another page. Now here you need to enter the email address that you have used to create your account. After entering your email address on the given box, click on the option of send reset email. With that, you'll get an reset email on your email address. So go through your mail and look for the mail sent by NerdWallet. Now click on the given mail and scroll down. Here you can see reset your password. Click on reset password so that you can reset your password. Now here you need to enter your new password on the given box. Make sure your new password creates one uppercase letter, one number or special character, 8 characters in minimum. After that, re-enter your password on confirm password box. After entering your passwords, click on the option of next. With that, your password will be reset. After your password gets reset, now here you can sign in by clicking on sign in option. To sign in, first enter your email address on the given box. Then enter the password that you have just created. If you want your account to be kept logged in, you can click on keep me logged in box. With that, click on continue. Then you'll be logged into your account as well. This is how we can reset NerdWallet password. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you liked today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.